HammerPrint is an Android application that simplifies the printing process directly from mobile devices. Designed for convenience, it allows users to print documents, photos, and web pages wirelessly to compatible printers, streamlining tasks for both personal and professional use. With HammerPrint, users can access various file types, including PDFs, images, and documents stored on their devices or in cloud storage services. The app typically supports printing options such as paper size, orientation, and quality, enabling users to customize their print jobs based on specific needs. One of its standout features is the ability to discover nearby printers on the same Wi-Fi network and connect with them seamlessly. HammerPrint aims to enhance productivity, making it easy for users to print on the go without the hassle of connecting through complex setups. Overall, HammerPrint is an effective tool for anyone looking to streamline their printing experience from their Android devices, providing efficient, user-friendly solutions for both casual and business printing needs.